Anything is fine for me. I'm saying.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're here with one of the investors that have come down from out of the state, and they're really eager to go ahead and look into the opportunities that Tripura government is giving. So, sir, what is your name basically? Where do you come from, and what is your institute, and what are you looking at? What sort of opportunities that you can give to the state?
My name is Shashwat Sana. I'm Director of Maritime Energy Heli Air Services and RampWorks Aviation Private Limited. Maritime Energy Heli Air Services, I mean say, its calling name is Meher. Meher is India's first seaplane operator.
Correct.
Since 2011. We are working to develop the seaplane ecosystem in the country. Seaplane is the concept which can help not only the government to save lots of money in developing the infrastructure, but also to connect the last mile without having a huge infrastructure.
Correct.
Along with that, the second company, which is the RampWorks Aviation Private Limited, that is dedicated for the training, skill development and training purpose, where we are going to train the our Indian youth to have them skills and knowledge about the aviation and marine both. This is something which is a unique fusion, I can say, where we cover the marine and aviation all together.
Altogether. Yeah.
For example, the aircraft when the craft when it flies, it's called aircraft. But the aircraft when it lands on the water and it sails towards the jetty or to water road, that time the concept of boat is applicable on it.
Right.
So we are working to develop this concept and to have the seaplane activity in India, and especially Tripura. Tripura is a state where we can, which is like in northeast, moving very fast and having a very beautiful natural gift by the God. So I want the Tripura Sundari should have this Sundar project.
Right. What I can say is, you are looking at something, where we can start such project, set up, a center where you can basically train the young generations, and bring them and deploy them in different part of the country and abroad as well. So I think you have such potential to even send them abroad and then employ them. So I think Tripura is one of your destinations. Maybe you have seen some potential. That's the reason why you are here.
It's a very good potential in this seaplane sector actually.
Right.
And we are not sending any pilots to the
Abroad.
Pilot itself will be
In
abroad in India itself.
correct.
Our seaplane company.
Our company, as I told you, that we are, I'm director of two companies, Meher and RampWorks. So
Correct.
RampWorks will train and will absorb all those trainees in our own company. So we will give the commitment to our students from the day one, the surety of job,
Correct.
that they are not going towards the wrong direction of the education, that they are what they are studying, they can utilize it. They are having a certainty and the confirmation of the job also.
Correct.
So Meher will employ, RampWorks will train.
Great. It's really great to see, people coming from outside Tripura, and being this is the first time. It's really a good footfall that we're seeing. Thank you so much for coming down to Tripura, and that you have seen such potential in
Thank you.
here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.